Did you know that if the Yellowstone supervolcano erupted, it could plunge the entire planet into a volcanic winter, triggering a global catastrophe? The ash cloud alone would ground flights worldwide and devastate agriculture, leading to widespread famine. It sounds like something out of a disaster movie, but the threat is very real. But what if we could stop it? What if science offered a way to tame this sleeping giant? That's where a radical and controversial idea comes into play: geoengineering. We're talking about intentionally manipulating Earth systems on a massive scale to prevent natural disasters. Could we really engineer our way out of a volcanic apocalypse? Let's break down the danger. Beneath the stunning beauty of Yellowstone National Park lies a massive chamber of magma. Scientists estimate an eruption of this magnitude occurs roughly every 600,000 to 800,000 years, and the last one was about 640,000 years ago. So, while it's not likely to happen tomorrow, we are in the window. An eruption would eject 1,000 cubic kilometers of rock and ash, blanketing most of the United States. The release of sulfur dioxide would create an aerosol layer in the stratosphere, reflecting sunlight and dramatically cooling the planet for years. The consequences would be catastrophic for civilization as we know it. It's not a question of if, but when the next big one will happen. So, how could geoengineering possibly stop something so powerful? Several ideas have been proposed, though they remain highly theoretical. One of the most talked about strategies comes from NASA researchers. It involves drilling into the side of the magma chamber and pumping in water at high pressure. The water would circulate, absorb a huge amount of heat, and then be extracted. This process would gradually cool the magma, releasing its thermal energy over thousands of years and relieving the pressure that could lead to an explosive eruption. Essentially, it would turn the volcano into a massive geothermal power plant. Other, more extreme ideas involve things like carefully targeted explosions to create vents for pressure release, but these come with their own massive risks. This all sounds like science fiction, but a 2017 NASA report actually explored the feasibility of the drilling plan. The study concluded that while theoretically possible, the project would be immensely challenging and incredibly expensive. We're talking hundreds of billions of dollars. Furthermore, the risks are enormous. What if the drilling itself accidentally destabilized the magma chamber and triggered the very eruption we were trying to prevent? Critics argue that our understanding of these complex volcanic systems is far too limited to attempt such a high-stakes intervention. We could be playing with a geological time bomb without fully understanding how to defuse it. So, while geoengineering offers a tantalizing glimmer of hope against a cataclysmic threat like Yellowstone, the reality is that we are a long way from a viable solution. The science is in its infancy. The costs are astronomical and the risks of getting it wrong are simply terrifying. For now, our best defense remains monitoring and understanding these incredible natural forces. What are your thoughts? Is attempting to geoengineer a supervolcano a brilliant solution or an act of unimaginable hubris? Let me know what you think in the comments below, and tell me what other what-if scenarios you'd like us to explore. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into science and technology. Thanks for watching.